Actually, IEEE Institute, we know all that the world largest professional association for advancing the technology. The looking into the IEEE is actually how many members in its members? It's 4.3 lakhs members, and more than 160 countries across the board. That, and including that, 1.26 lakhs are student members. That's our IEEE student branch actually, and that 334 sections in 10 different regions, and IEEE Bangladesh section is one of these sections. Now you have also 2,100 plus chapters, 2,600 plus student branches, and we are one of the student branches in 2,600 plus student branches, and 900 plus student branch chapter, and 440 affinity groups. That's the actually IEEE. We're telling about some of the IEEE county. Now looking into the IEEE in different form, the societies, the sister concerns. There's a 39 societies. As example included the IEEE Computer Society, IEEE Communication Society, and you know that IEEE Explore Digital Library, and 3.5 million documents are here, and 1,400 conference proceedings we found here. There is a lot of publishes, lot of transaction journals and magazines. 180 the cross. There's 1,600 plus standard and projects, and 1,600 conference. They're sponsored already on 1,600 sponsors. Now I'd like to look into the student benefits. These are their IEEE keeping technology current always, and networking and collaborations, and scholarship and grants and fellowship. There is a lot of opportunity for the, especially for the students in IEEE, a lot of scholarship, fellowships and grants. And one of other grants like the IEEE Foundation student grants and IEEE Society offering grants, a lot of grants here, and as well as discount for all conference, everything in the IEEE. Now this is our IEEE DIU student branch. We got the branch code and branch school code, and this branch actually combinations of a lot of department, engineering departments actually in Pedagogical International University. This is the advisory panel of this branch, the respective heads of respective engineering departments. This me counselor and my branch chair Mehdi Hassan, and these are the executive committees, the student executive committees, and the other two committees, program committees and workshop committees. I like to thank the IEEE Region 10 Director and Student Branch Activity Chair, and also IEEE Bangladesh Section Chair and IEEE Bangladesh Section Student Activity Chair. I would also like to thank our head sir, our beloved head sir, because all his support and guidance. Thank you all.